Coming up, we're going to take a look at a macro tracker app that is making over $500,000 a month and the clever way they are driving downloads and sales. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the app agency that helps you grow your app downloads better, faster, and cheaper than anyone else. I want to be the most effective and most affordable app marketing agency out there. Today, I want to show you this app and kind of really break down what they're doing right and why I want to make sure you understand that the app business is just like any other business. It's a funnel. How are you going to get downloads? How are you going to convert those downloads? And then how are you going to get more downloads to make even more money, right? A lot of times people love the ASO content that I share, but ASO is not a necessity. It's sort of a nice to have. And this app proves everything that I've been talking about. So without further ado, let's take a look at the app. The app is called Macro Factor. As you can see, it's making $400,000 a month on iOS, according to Sensor Tower, 20,000 downloads. And I wanted to focus on this app because it was launched late of 2021. Fairly new app, right? It's only 2 years old. If you look at the Android version, it's making $100,000 a month on Android, right? And that was launched around the same time, okay? Now, if you look at the keyword rankings, I'm in data.ai. You can see that the app doesn't really rank that well for any big keywords besides Macro Factor, its brand name. But the big keyword is macro tracker, and it's number 6. And we know that almost 70% of all the downloads go to the first 3 rankings, keyword rankings. So they're likely not driving any downloads from these keywords. If you look at macro diet and I look into app follow, macro diet does not have any search volume. It's number 7. So you can see that the main source is their brand, Macro Factor, that has 43, which is amazing, but everything else is not really driving organic downloads. So how are they making so much money? Well, I dug in deeper, right? Because when I was looking through the app, I noticed that they had this affiliate. So I'm on their website right now. I'm like, what's it right here? This is interesting. Okay, cool, whatever. But I get to this part, affiliate codes, and I was like, yo, what is this about? So again, if you think about the app business, the downloads, it could be through Facebook ads, TikTok ads, viral TikTok videos. It could be, Reddit community, Facebook groups. It doesn't matter. You have to think about the downloads. That ASO is just one component. It's sort of like the foundation. But once you have the foundation in place, where else are you getting downloads? Because these guys don't seem to be getting downloads through ASO, just through the generic keywords besides their brand, but they're driving a lot of downloads and revenues and sales by leveraging affiliates, okay? Now, I have no insider data, and if I did, I wouldn't be creating this video. So I try to stay away from when I have insider data to really cover up the client. When I don't have insider data, this is my assumption that a lot of their downloads are coming from affiliate codes, right? Because they've got an amazing brand right here too. So when I dug in deeper, this is the company that made this app, and you can see they've have this brand already, 200,000 newsletters, and so they have this baked in audience that they can promote. This is just my assumption, by the way, that they can promote the app to. And you can see, I love working with people that already have this baked in audience because that conversion rate is going to be high and they have the connections. So they can go to Bryce Lewis and say, hey, why don't you promote our app? And we'll give you a little bit of kickback on this too. Now it might be harder to monitor, but let's just click on one of them. I have no idea what their following is, but Ben Peterson sounds familiar. Yeah, you can see, not that much following. Let's see, Bryce Lewis, if he is following. Okay, I have no idea what I'm going to get myself into here. But I just want to take a peek. 15,000, so decent following. But you can see how they're leveraging these other influencers to drive the downloads. And you guys can go through this whole influencer list as well. Now let's get into the app. Here it is. Just wanted to give you guys the screenshots again. And then this affiliate stuff that we just talked about. I really love the UI UX on this. Now, meet your new diet sidekick. I love this. You just swipe up. Macro Factor offers an empowering, sustainable approach to nutrition tracking. Awesome. You swipe up again. You get this. Beautiful designs, leading with social proof with fitness types of apps. Along onboarding does work better. So you can see, here's what they're going through. Here's how it works. Answer a few questions. I'll let you guys go through this yourselves. But really cool UI UX, right? Goes through the entire thing. Now, here's the kicker. Here we go. A sidekick like no other. Now they're teeing me up, right? So they lead with, I'm about to get a hard paywall. Spoiler alert, okay? Macro Factor is a premium-only application by design. They tell you this. And I've seen other apps do this that's going to have a hard paywall. They tell you upfront, like, hey, we're only premium only. Free doesn't work. So I love this slide. I don't have any data to prove because maybe people hit this slide and they never go forward. But maybe people who do hit this slide and end up going forward are more likely to convert anyways. So don't have data on this, but this is an interesting test. Like showing people that, hey, this is only premium only. Now, continue with Apple. I do not have some data, but I have some anecdotal data that if you're going to do these social logins, always go with continue with versus sign in or sign up with. Continue with is the best performing button, in my opinion. Okay, I have some data from certain clients that said the same thing. So continue with, not sign in or sign up. All right, here's what you get. So this is why I started thinking about this affiliate, because I was like, what is this little slide? Did you learn about us from an affiliate? And if you hit yes, I'll get you those screens a little bit later. This is the normal paywall. Now I hit try for free 1 week and then get sent this. This is a breakdown. I want to stop here a little bit. When you have a built-in audience, when you have people who are searching for that built-in audience and you're very niche, right? This isn't a calorie counter, for example. It's macro tracker. So these are people who are more niche down the funnel. You don't need a fully optimized experience. Is this paywall fully optimized? In my opinion, no. There's some changes I want to make to it. I don't like this one tap thing. I'd rather just all be in one, but fine. They have both. Cool. I would remove the trial from all these other ones besides just the 12-month. Cool. I would bump up the 6-month to make it closer to the 12 months. But again, it doesn't matter what I think they should do to fully optimize it. We can lead to more revenue, hopefully, but at the same time, they're already making $400,000 a month. So that goes to show you, you don't need to be fully optimized when you have a built-in audience and you're more in the niche. Again, so that's why I love niche apps like this. Okay. So now let's take a look at the affiliate side. Here we go. Turn on affiliate, try 2 weeks for free. So if you did come through an affiliate, you hit this, you get 2 weeks off, and then you can subscribe. Didn't ask me for the affiliate code either. It just gave me an extra week for free because I tapped this here. So I do get a 2-week trial. I didn't put any code or anything else in there. That's it. Again, they're not doing like discounted pricing. They're not doing push notifications during the onboarding, which is best practices. They're not asking for reviews during the onboarding, which is, again, a best practice. But it shows you that, hey, it's all a funnel. If you got the top of the funnel and your niche, you're going to make good money within the app stores, because as much as it is crowded these days, there's still room in the market. You just got to find the hole depending on which category of apps you want to build. All right, that's it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And if you got any questions, please leave in the comments. I'm going to create more videos based on your questions. And lastly, if you want to work with us, we'll go check out appmasters.com. Set up a call, talk through your problems and your goals. We'll help you along the way. All right, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps. Any little bit helps. All right, until next time, I'll see you on the next video.